This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about sandwich and snack bags, specifically these Bag Tech heat sealable sandwich and snack bags. You have 3 different color options. There's black, craft, and white, and they all feature a clear front window to really show off your foods. They come in 3 sizes. The small is 8 1/4 by 5 1/4. The medium is 8 3/4 by 6 1/2. And finally, the large is 11 1/2 by 6 3/4, giving you 3 generous and varied size options for packing a variety of things in addition to sandwiches. The sleek bags are available in 3 colors. The transparent plastic shows off your delicious foods, while the heat seal locks in the freshness. These can also easily be sealed by folding over that top lip once they're filled and closing it with tape, a wafer seal, or even a branded sticker. There's also ample room on the back and the front if you want to add any branding after you're packaging your foods. These are perfect for packaging sandwiches, biscotti, pretzels, mini muffins, pastries, along with things like candy and bulk goods, giving you a variety of uses for these great heat sealable bags. The high quality plastic is food safe, and they're going to be great for sandwiches, coffee shops, gourmet grocers, delis, and perfect for anyone looking to do pre-packaged items for a grab and go section or even impulse items for right next to the register.